Hi, I'm KwonHan from PyCon Korea. I've been there about the PyCon US this year, and I did a writing talk last year. I'm running the board again this year. So yeah, please listen to my stories, and we can make Pythons better.
What areas of the Python community are you involved with?
I founded the Python news groups in 2013 and have been running PyCon Korea for 10 years since 2014. In establishing and operating PyCon Korea, I received significant support from the PyCon APAC, especially from colleagues in Japan, Taiwan, Singapore, and Malaysia. Currently, PyCon Korea plays a leading role among community conferences in South Korea. Our introduction of the Code of Conduct has become a standard practice, and initiatives like a child care support and travel grants are being widely adopted by other conferences in Korea. I'm also actively involved with PyCon APAC. Given its rotating nature among different countries, my focus is on setting standards for host countries, sharing information about each country's PyCon, and recommending and connecting the speakers. Since last year, as a PSF board member, I have been practicing in the Conduct Working Group. My experience with PyCon Korea has given me a keen interest in this area, and I'm running on many things and paperwork. While my code contribution to Python projects have been deceased due to the time constraints, as you know, I initially promoted various projects like Django, MicroPython, and PyTest, and other projects through the presentations at PyCon Korea's early stages, aiming to expand their user bases. In these days, I started to learn WebCare. I'll do some presentations next month. Currently, my efforts are concentrated on mentoring developers in Korea and the APAC regions, as well as sharing knowledge about the Python ecosystem with the users.
What is your experience working with the PSF or other boards?
Running a non-profit organization is challenging, but the PS board members are exceptionally kind and supportive. While this is characteristics of open source communities in general, the PS board stands out in this regard. Although we primarily communicate online, the words of experience and commitments to progress are invaluable when we meet in person in PyCon US this year. I proposed the idea of the PSF Board Office Hours. Initially, I think it's kind of Zoom meetings scheduled across different time zones, connect with board members to the Python users of the world. But despite delays due to some complexities and code conducts and other things, Chuck adapted the concept into grand office hours, hosted on Discord. After that, the PS Board Office Hours were first implemented during this election. Based on the board members' participation experience, it seems like the official board office hours will soon be established. I think this is the moving forward of the number.
What changes do you want to implement on the PSF board? And is this your motivation for running?
Although I lack overseas work experience like US and Europe, I aim to contribute to the global Python community based on my experience. Despite geographical challenges in the interacting with the regions outside Asia, our limited exchanges have been resulted in Python co-developers and various contributors to the other Python projects. I want to further connect the represented developers from Asia and other regions to expand Python contributions and uses. Recently, I attended PyCon Philippines, meeting Python lovers from various parts of the country, while the many communities had been gone post-COVID. They're eager to remake it their network. So, I'm supporting this effort. I hope to continue this work. Yesterday, I participated on Taiwan's Sidewalk Discord. Many folks out there want to make some contributions to the Python, but they don't know how to start or what project to do is wanting help to see. So I want to support them and make the contribution process more accessible.
What other impact do you hope to make as a board member?
Yeah, regional PyCons are highly diverse. Each have each with unique programs offering the variable learning opportunities. I aim to connect and share these various experience and then knowledges among different Python communities, especially within the APEC area, because as I'm living in this region, many of the PS systems, and secondly, many of the PS systems have become maybe complex due to their long history, making them challenging to navigate, as you see in this year's PyCon PSF Board of Directors. I understand that several committees have been formed to address this issue. I want to contribute to this committee's effort to improve accessibilities to the PSF systems. By doing so, I have to make it easier to more people to engage PSF-related activities and contribute to the Python community. Thank you. I think it's done.